Hi, guys, and welcome back. I'm Sarah. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.